Hey gang, Jesse here with EC Auto Repair. So, wanted to shoot a quick video for you, deal with some questions that we get on engine timing belts. So, there's two different components that control how everything inside the engine works. It's either going to be a timing belt or a timing chain. Some vehicles models are exclusively timing belt. That's super simple. Other vehicle models, for instance, like a Dodge Caravan, some models have a timing belt, others have a timing chain. In the past, it was viewed that the timing chain would last the life of the engine. That's actually a variable now, depending on how well the maintenance has been done on the vehicle. That's a whole different story for another day. On the engine timing belt, though, timing belts are supposed to be changed either every 60,000 miles or 100,000 miles, depending on which manufacturer that we're dealing with. So what we have here is actually a Honda Pilot. Honda Pilots are super great vehicles. They're super reliable. They can run a lot of miles. This particular vehicle has like 370,000 miles on it. So they're very dependable. However, underneath this cover is a rubber belt that is the timing belt, and it runs from the crankshaft all the way up and around, and you can't see it, but there is an inspection hole right here where the technician can look inside to see what the belt looks like. There's also a sticker right here that shows us at what mileage that the vehicle was actually last serviced at with the timing belt. So the next timing belt is supposed to be replaced at 431,000 miles. The great news is most of these vehicles that are like this, the timing belt also drives the water pump. So it's a good idea to do a timing belt and a cooling system repair all at the same time, because you will be changing the water pump. So we might as well go ahead and handle the antifreeze, the cooling system flush, perhaps the thermostat and radiator hoses if it's applicable. I strongly recommend doing the timing belt every 100,000 miles. What I have seen in this very shop with my very own eyes is people will neglect their timing belt. The timing belt will break while the vehicle is running down the road. When that happens, the engine dies and will not restart. With some vehicle models, actually most vehicle models, it actually does damage to the engine cylinder head whenever that happens, whenever it breaks prematurely like that. So now we've went from a repair that was just going to be a few $100s to now a repair that's a few $1,000s. So it's always in your best interest to handle these maintenance items when they come up.